Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well and enjoying coding with Flutter. Today's our video is going to be interesting. In this Flutter tutorial we will learn how we can get Firebase hosting for our Flutter web apps, and how we can deploy our website on Firebase for free. So for deploying on Firebase, we have this beautiful portfolio website here, that I have created in Flutter Web. This is a fully responsive website. And I want Firebase hosting for this website. So let's see how we can do this. Let's get started. Okay, first we need some dependencies, right? So go to pub.dev, and write Firebase core. Copy this and add to your pubspec.yml file. Now we need Firebase connection for our project. So go to firebase.google.com, go to console. Add a new project, enter your project name here. OK, continue. And create your project. Our project is created. Now click on Web App, register your app by providing a nickname for your website. And check the Firebase hosting so we can deploy our website. Click on Register App. In the second step you have to add Firebase SDK into your project. So here we have two options, use npm and use a script tag. I'll go with script tag, because it is simple and easy way. You can choose whatever you want. OK, just copy the script, and go to index.html, under the web folder. And paste at last inside the body tag. Here you can see we have Firebase configuration, API key, auth domain, project ID, etc. OK, proceed the process, and now install Firebase CLI, Firebase command line interface. It is a tool which you can use to test, manage, and to deploy your Firebase project using command line. Right. OK, copy this, and run on terminal. npm is not recognized as an internal or external command. OK, if you have Node.js installed on your system then it will work perfectly fine. In my case I do not have Node.js installed, so let's first install Node.js. I am using Windows, so select Windows, it will start downloading. Here I need npm package manager, and tap next and install it. Our installation is completed, let's check it. Again, not working. It is because you have to restart the Android Studio, so that it can detect the npm command. After that it will work perfectly fine. Just wait for a while. It is done. Next, in the fourth step we can deploy our website. First you have to log into your Google Firebase account, so copy this command, and paste in the terminal, and hit enter. Just type Y for yes. And it will navigate you to the login page. If you have already logged into your account then, it will show a message like you have already logged in or something like that. OK, and if you haven't logged in, then log into your account with the email account, where you have your Firebase account open. OK, I have successfully logged into my account. Now initialize your project by Firebase init command. It says, are you ready to proceed? Yes, here you will have different options, but you have to select configure files for Firebase hosting, press A for selection, then enter to proceed. Now it says, please select an option. Here are different options. Use existing project, create a new project. Obviously we select existing project. Proceed by enter. Here you will have all your existing projects list, and make sure to select the correct project, which you want to deploy, right? Now this is the most important point. Here you have to define your public directory. By default it is public, but you have to explicitly type build/web and hit enter. OK, our initialization is completed. Now type flutter build web. This command will convert all our Flutter code into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for web. Now deploy it with the command flutter deploy. OK, we have successfully deployed our website on Firebase. Here are our project console link and hosting URL for our project. Just click on hosting URL and you will have your website open. Great, we have successfully deployed our website on Firebase, and it looks awesome, and working perfectly fine. If you click on Project Console, you will see your project on Firebase. Here is our project name, deployment history, deployed by. Here you can define a custom domain name for your website, verify your ownership, make payment for the domain and go live. In the Usage tab, you will see the data storage, current storage, and total downloads. If you go to Usage and Billing, Firebase gives 10 GB downloads per month. Every time when you load your website it consumes download storage, because all the data is loaded from Firebase. And total storage is 10 GB. Okay, that's all for today. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel please consider subscribing to my channel, so you can get future videos from this channel. See you in the next video.